If I was looking for a psychology course, I would join a course that can change lives and give me a fresh perspective towards mental health, one that does not bore me to death.
Now, where can I find an interesting course that teaches me?
Some new techniques in individual counseling skills,
Awesome group therapy skills from experts, a whole lot of direct interaction with real patients,
where would I get a mentoring by a psychiatrist and a clinical psychologist?
If the human mind fascinates you and working with people is your thing, then there is a place where you can learn all about schizophrenia, obsessive compulsive disorder, addiction, mood disorders, personality disorders. Our 5-month part-time comprehensive training program is called Mind Microscope. This is brought to you by Practical Life Skills, a neuropsychiatry research and wellness center in Bane, Pune. For information about this training program, please contact Ms. Shalmalee on 839 0610533. Alternatively, write to info@plsf.org. Practical Life Skills, visit our website, like us on Facebook.